just a monstrous sound. You can see I'm hardly using the effort though. So what it is, I thought I'd have a bass trombone, so when I do get too old to play the big solos that I get booked for, the Sentimental Overuse and the Two Little Times, might be time to think that I might not be able to play those notes anymore. It hasn't happened yet, but here we have the new bass trombone, which I think George Roberts would have loved to have had a horn as responsive as this. It really is great. I mean, yeah, it's just a monstrous instrument. Yeah, I'm very excited about it. I'll tell you more about it when I get my chops in and do a little bit more. So yeah, Marcus Reynolds, I'm in the Rath factory. If you can see, there it is. I've had many hours here picking trombones and changing. Rath were brilliant. When I had all my troubles with all my mouth and had to learn to play again, they were incredibly helpful, changing little bits of this, changing lead pipes, changing the bow at the bottom. But believe you me, put 5% in, get 50% out. Isn't that a good deal? It is today. Marcus Reynolds, the Rath factory. And thanks very much to everyone at the Michael Rath factory. Bye.